Static abduction drinking birds. Have an anchor point and loop a long resistance band around that, and the other half is going to go above your knee. Do not place it right on the kneecap, so avoid that, right above the kneecap. You are going to try to always externally rotate. This is much harder than it looks, and after a while you should be getting a good burn, because you actually do have to work quite hard to keep that knee pointing out. While you are doing that, you are also trying to go into a drinking bird. So think of keeping a straight line from the crown of your head all the way down to your heel. Your core must be braced for this movement to be nice and smooth. So focus on a braced core and external rotation of the standing leg.